Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber.
Today I will explain how to render a sequence.
Let's begin. Let's start.
The red part. This part needs rendering in order to be able to play smoothly. The yellow part. Rendering this part is not required. It can play smoothly without rendering. Basically, the parts with effects often require rendering. Select Sequence, Rendering Effects In and Out. When selecting it, the yellow areas will not be rendered even between in-outs. Select Sequence, Render In to Out if you want to render including yellow areas. In this case, it may take some time. Rendering takes place between in and out, so if you set the in and out points before rendering, you can render efficiently. This window appears during rendering. Rendering parts are displayed in green like this. After rendered, the size of files will become larger. Delete rendering files if you don't need them. From Sequence, select Delete Render Files In to Out. Then, the file rendering in and out will be deleted. From Sequence, select Delete Render Files. Then all rendering files in the project will be deleted. Thanks to that, we can save large memory on your computer. If you import compositions from After Effects, because the size of the file is large, it cannot play smoothly. In this case, you need Render Composition to convert it to a normal clip. Right-click the composition on the timeline and select Render and Replace. You can choose the intermediate codec to use for rendering in the Render and Replace box. I think QuickTime is okay. GoPro Cineform is fine for presetting. If there is a transparent part, select With Alpha. Press the OK button to start rendering. Now you know how to render the sequence.
How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again for the next lecture. See you soon. Bye-bye.